Greetings everyone, Joseph James here with your nightly newsletter brought to you by theschooloftrade.com. Today was August 5th, 2009. Had a great day today in the market actually. It was, again, a very sleepy summer trading day. We didn't see a lot of volume in the market this morning. But we did wait patiently for the perfect patterns to develop, and when they did, we took the trades and did pretty well. We'll show you guys that in a second. I want to remind you guys we have a free resource online. Go to our YouTube page. That's youtube.com/School of Trade. And guys, when you're there, make sure you rate and comment on those videos. If you like what you see, if you find value in the videos we have there, please take a couple seconds out of your busy day and rate and comment on those videos. So head over to YouTube for more information. Now today we put $210 in our account. Okay, another slow summer trading day here. So we didn't see very many opportunities. We'll show you guys in a minute. But we brought $210 in the account. We did just over 400 yesterday, so of course that brings our weekly total here to 760, and monthly total, of course, up to 760 as well. So we'll keep you guys posted as we make our way through here the month of August. And of course, remember guys, this is only 3 contracts. So of course, if you're looking to make more, you can do the math. Okay, so 3 contracts, not a large account, and of course, modest conservative gains every single trading day. Now, the term of the day today is a sideways market. Now, of course, this is very fitting for the summertime trading we're seeing here across the E-minis or the currency futures or even the fixed income. And of course, sideways markets, these are something we see pretty much every day here in the summertime. Hopefully once the fall comes, we'll see these trends come back to us with the volume. But of course, what is a sideways market? Well, it's when price trades in a well-defined and narrow trading range. And ultimately, it's shown by having failure to make new highs or new lows. So it's going to be horizontal on your chart. So no new highs and no new lows. And of course, by definition, a sideways market is going to have lower volume because of the fact that there are fewer people participating in that market. So a typical scenario would result in whether or not it be summertime trading, or if there was a big news event that would have people concerned about trading one market on a specific time, a specific day. So in other words, if there's concern in the market or there are fewer participants because of that concern, well, that will usually lead to lower volume being traded. And lower volume being traded will lead to fewer high probability opportunities. As you guys know, we look for those high percentage opportunities to make sure that we see consistent results in our trade room. And of course, fewer opportunities means that we have to really practice our discipline. So discipline is going to be a very big key component in our trading in sideways markets, because we've got to wait for the right opportunities, and we're simply not going to see them right at all times. Now, one thing you want to be aware of also is that when we have volume dry up like this and we see sideways ranges, which are very well defined in our charts, this brings in a whole lot of opportunity for manipulation. So we see large institutional buyers and sellers. We see high frequency traders, right, algorithmic trading systems that will come in and actually literally pepper these markets with buy or sell orders with these computers. And this, of course, opens up an opportunity for manipulation. So be careful trading in sideways markets. Most importantly, the low volume sideways markets, because manipulation will be a key component there. Now, if you're a trend follower, so if you're a trading system right now that only trades with the trend, sideways markets are going to be your Achilles heel. Okay, trend followers really need to beware when it comes to a sideways market, because lots of head fakes, lots of reversals, okay, lots of indecision, of course, because of that low volume. There's going to be fewer trends to follow. So beware out there, trend followers. And of course, in a sideways market, we always have to have some sort of high percentage opportunity to take advantage of. And a trend reversal pattern, or of course, a setup that allows us to get into a trend reversal is always going to be key. So we use our 2-step pattern as a trend reversal setup to capitalize on sideways markets, because a sideways market will always be coming back and forth, up and down, without any real well-defined trends. A trend reversal pattern or a breakout failure pattern like the 2-step is what we use. Now here's a snapshot of a crude market a couple weeks ago, and as you can see, I've shaded in the area and marked with these arrows here. As you can see, it's very easy to see a horizontal trend here, sideways price action. You can see these large yellow arrows here that have marked the highs, and you can see they're all contained within a very narrow trading range. So good example here of what a sideways market looks like on a chart. Now, of course, sideways markets can be very narrow, they can be very wide. Right? This particular sideways market was very wide, and of course, we were able to play this very well here. We do very well in the trade room with sideways markets, so make sure you guys come out and join us in our live trade room. It opens up at 2:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's, of course, available for trial members and lifetime members to come out and join us. We'll trade the European session at 3 a.m. We'll also trade the U.S. morning session, and we'll close up about 12 o'clock noon Eastern Standard Time. We have 3 jobs in the trade room, and that is to identify, adjust, and execute. So come out and watch as we do all 3 of these steps live in our trade room tomorrow morning. And we'll show you guys how we identify the type of market we see, adjust to that market, and then capitalize on what we see by executing our trades. Let's take a look at the only trades we took today, guys. Very quiet day. We didn't see anything except for the crude oil. Of course, we had a 10:30 crude inventories number that helped us out this morning with some volume after that number came out. But as you can see, guys, we got our morning started off here at 11 o'clock, 11:01. All right, 2 steps short here. This, of course, at 85 got us 9 ticks there, plus 3, plus 6. It was shortly thereafter, 11:07, we took another 2-step long. As you can see, we traded counter trend down, and then now here 11:07, we traded counter trend back up. So again, you're seeing this 2-step pattern in its purest form here in a sideways market, as you can see here in today's price action. So a 2-step pattern, as you can see here, 11:07, 2-step long at 84. We took another 3 ticks out of the market there. But a great example of how a counter trend trade setup is going to be used most often in a sideways price action market. Now, of course, we weren't done there. Actually, excuse me, this was actually early in the day. These slides appear to be backwards here. So rewind for a second there. Back to 9 o'clock this morning. This is a 2-step long at 28. And, of course, it was at 3, 6, and 9 ticks total there. And then, of course, all the way over here to the right side of your screen, 9:38, just after the U.S. Open here. A 2-step short at 24. Got a horrible fill. We saw support come in below. The buyers hit the tape. And, of course, it rested and didn't fill my first target. Started to see those buyers pile up in the tape, and of course decided to get out of that trade barely in the nick of time for a scratch trade there. So 9:38 just at the open, a 2-step short there at 24. Most of our members got this one there plus 3 and then scratched out, but I was unfortunately on the short end of the stick, got a bad fill, and I had to get out of that thing before it took my head off. Okay, so this is the crude oil futures, guys. We went 3 for 3 here in the market this morning, $210 in our account. And as always, guys, I would encourage you to come out and join us tomorrow morning in our live trade room. We'll show you guys how we take these trades live in real time. We'll trade 8 different markets, live calls. We'll show you how we manage our trades. We'll show you guys how we take profit, our exits, our stops, our time frames. Plenty of opportunities for questions and answers. So bring your questions. And guys, we'll give you 3 full weeks to come out and give us a try. Absolutely free. The beginner's course is recommended for all trial members, so make sure you download that. And guys, remember that free resource at youtube.com/School of Trade. Make sure you rate and comment on those videos. Drop us an email for more information, sales@schooloftrade.com. Once again, my name is Joseph James. Thanks for your time tonight. We'll see you in the morning. 2:45, the trade room opens. Don't miss it. Bye-bye for now.